problems you face in the kitchen is the issue of slow or clogged drains. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can prevent clogged drains the natural way. Just make sure that you watch this video to the end in order to learn how you can manage your kitchen drains or sink. But before I continue, if today is your first time of watching my video, I welcome you to my channel and I encourage you to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your notifications so that you'll be instantly notified as soon as I upload a new video. And if you're a returning viewer and you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so that you can join the family. One of the absolute best ways to prevent slow or clogged kitchen drains is to be careful about what you put into them. I know that at times food debris manage to get into the kitchen drains, and when this happens over time, it may result into slow or clogged kitchen drains. To prevent that from happening, what you have to do is to run hot water through the kitchen drain, and then you put a tablespoon of baking soda inside the kitchen drain. I usually do this at night when I'm done with the day's activities in the kitchen so that it doesn't disturb anything. And then I allow the baking soda to sit inside the kitchen drain overnight, and then first thing the next morning I flush it down with some hot water, and voila, you have a free flowing drain. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, comment and share this video to others. You never can tell who you're helping. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.